The Science of Reading by Sarah Fuentes. The introduction. We will be going over what SOR, also known as Science of Reading, is and why it's important we as teachers know what it is. We will also be talking about the 4 different stages, how to apply them so that we can use them while we teach, whether it be literacy. What is science of reading, you may ask? Science of reading is what matters the most and what works in literacy instruction. The science of reading is a body of evidence that tells us how students learn to read and includes evidence, phonological and phonemic awareness, phonics and word recognition, fluency, vocabulary, content knowledge, development, and comprehension. There are 4 different stages. The first stage, the simple view of reading. This is a theory that shows reading comprehension. Abilities are dependent on decoding, skills, and language comprehension abilities. These categories can be taught and assessed separately. Decoding or word recognition refers to the accuracy and automaticity with which the words are read and is the foundation for reading comprehension. Language comprehension is the ability to understand spoken language using various linguistic processes. As you can see in the picture, simple view of reading is decoding words. It's the ability to print into spoken language. Language comprehension times language comprehension, the ability to understand spoken language, equals reading comprehension. The second stage is Scarborough's reading rope. Dr. Hollis Scarborough created the reading rope so that different strands of reading are all interconnected yet dependent of one another. For many students, learning to read is a challenge. Scarborough's rope captures this complexity of learning to read. It is made up of 2 strands, the lower and the upper strand. The lower strand focuses on phonological awareness, decoding, alphabet principle, letter sound, correspondence, and sight recognition. The upper strand includes background knowledge, vocabulary, language structure, verbal reasoning, and literacy knowledge. In this picture, the many strands that are woven into skilled reading. For one of them, the language comprehension is background knowledge, vocabulary knowledge, language structures, verbal reasonings, literacy, knowledge for the increasingly strategic. For word recognition, it's phonological awareness, decoding and spelling, and sight recognition, which is increasingly automatic. Skilled reading, fluent execution, and coordinate of words recognition and text recognition is towards the main part of the rope. The